So hi friends, I am Dr. Navnit Haror, your hair transplant surgeon from Dr. Haror's Wellness. So we are here today with Mr. Amitabh. Hi.
Hi.
So we did his hair transplant almost 7-8 months back. Let's discuss with him about the journey of hair transplant. So अभी आपको कितना टाइम हो गया है hair transplant कराए?
I did it on Christmas.
You did it around Christmas.
25 December को मैंने किया था.
25.
So I would say like 8 months.
8 months. And how do you feel about your hair transplant?
Pretty good. I must say. When I visited before that, for consultation, I was pretty low. I was not that confident. The dressing sense changed according to that. You try to hide your hairs, and I used to grow a lot of beard because no one would notice this if there is a long beard.
The focus should be on
beard. Yeah. So that vanished. Now the confidence is back.
So when you entered the room, can you recall this picture?
No, honestly not. I had to look twice. Is that me or not?
So great. So it's almost 7 to 8 months. We did a hair transplant for him of almost 3,000 grafts, and as we can see, so hair transplant is not only a surgery or a procedure. It has a lot of things in it. It has art, it has science, it has skills. So if we talk about hair transplant cost or anything, the cost not only depends on the procedure or what type of procedure you're going for or the clinic. It depends on the expertise of the surgeon. It depends on the results of the patients. It depends on how patients or how clients are satisfied with any clinic. So you have undergone the hair transplant surgery. Nowadays, many people are talking about the cost of hair transplant. It's high and all. Today also I met someone and my manager said that the cost is going pretty high for him. So what do you feel? You also paid a high cost, but how do you feel? It was value for money or it was not?
For me, it was value for money, and honestly, I was not looking for the cost. I was looking for expertise. Okay. So before I visited a lot of different ones, but they were not satisfactory. So I visited here, and I got the proper consultation which I needed. And cost definitely. There's a factor, but say safety also matters. Why would you go for a cheap one where you have less safety?
This is the most important point. Safety is the concern. This is also a medical procedure. Sometimes BP might fluctuate, sometimes sugar might go up and down, many things can happen. So there should be a lot of medical professionals who can manage anything, and you are 100% safe with natural results, very natural and artistic hairline. So this is the case. You should consult many people, but you should know whom you should go for. Everything doesn't depend on the cost. It depends on the expertise. It depends on the experience. It depends on the qualifications of the surgeon. So all these things matter.
So I would definitely recommend Dr. Haror. Before you want to go to the procedure, just visit once, and I can rest assured, you will definitely get the best consultations here. I am a live example for you. I have seen the transformation, and even you can see my transformation here. So please go ahead, visit Dr. Haror's.
Thank you so much. Thank you.